I will give you the honest career progression story, Christian, which was I was an academic before I thought I was going to be a professor in history. I was in a Stanford PhD history program, and then I was like, crap, I don't want to live in the middle of nowhere. And you know what? I think I want to make a little bit more money than a history professor would probably make getting out of a 7 to 9 year PhD program. So I sold my soul, went to law school at Berkeley, then realized in the midst of a Google internship where I gained a lot of weight, but learned a lot about life, that I didn't see myself doing the whole legal path for my whole career. And so I interned at Bosch Ventures when I was in law school. And then that thankfully led to kind of a career in venture because, once you get your foot in, it's so much easier to walk to the next opportunity. So that's kind of my career progression. I found venture capital as a as a something that fit me personally because of the intellectual component of it, but also like the networking and social part of it. They kind of married both worlds. But I would say, I don't think I had to have a very linear path. But that's called life, right? You figure it out as you go, and I think that I needed that iteration so that I kind of could finally realize that this is really the role and the path that I feel most stimulated by intellectually.